Okay, this is on the Baker job, 55751. This is for the boiler room system. So the old system was up here, but we are moving it. So it's going to sit back here. The front of the filter box will be flush with this wall. So the back of this unit will be 19.5 inches off the back wall. I talked to the plumbers and they said that was enough room to get to this stuff, and we're not going to block these valves. So they were good with it. So I just broke the door, electrical panel, and this wall. So this duct will sit right up tight to this wall. And this gas pipe, they're getting new boilers and water heaters and everything. So this gas pipe's gonna go away. It'll be redone, so. Okay, so Duchess shows. And off the side here, I'm giving you a 14-inch squared around, and so I plan to just take this 90 off and just extend the pipe so you just have 190 going right into your fitting. I measured it so it should just come right, level with it. Okay, so then the return, come up here. Oh, I gotta measure this piece. Anyway, so this will have a 90 on top. I did that because it's gonna 90 this way and go over this, and because we need to be able to tap in this 14-inch round into the front of it. So with the plenum there, that's why. So we're gonna have to take out this 90 and extend it, and then yeah, I measured it. It will go under this, and then tap it into the side of this with the 14-inch round tap. Off the end, gonna have a 10-inch round cap. So I haven't measured it because I'm not positive, but we're gonna put the unit up here. Sorry, not the unit. The Electro Industries fresh air unit, we're gonna hang it. So there's the outside air. I just haven't got the for sure on where we're gonna hang it. But if it were me, I'd just put it right on top of this. That was here, but I'm not sure yet. So I haven't measured it because they're getting big new water boilers and stuff. Anyway, so, but that's what that is. It'll tap in to the 10-inch coming out of those electro air units. And this one, what is that? That's 10-inch going in, so let's see. As far as the drain, just a floor drain right here, standard order. And that's all I know about it so far.